Nicole. I'm one of the Youth and Family Services librarians here at the Riverhead Free Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use the supplies from the Grab and Go kit for making your own paint chip calendar. Inside of the Grab and Go kit, you will receive the following: a calendar holder. You can either have it resting on something, on a desk or a table, or there are holes that you can put screws in to hang up on your wall if you want to have it stationary every month. You will also receive a blank calendar template, some various color paint chips. I just have blue in my demonstration, but you'll have much different colors. And you will also receive see-through labels that have days of the week and some handful of future months. As far as supplies at home, you're going to want these: a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, some glue or double-sided tape, liner markers or thin Sharpie, and something to color with. I just happen to have markers here, but you can use crayons, colored pencils, pastels, acrylics, gouache, watercolor, you name it, anything you want to use. As an example, I have completed one calendar and I didn't use any of the labels since I didn't want to waste any and have any one go without. So I actually hand wrote, and again, the labels are optional. You can do anything you would like. But this is what a finished calendar, I did the month of February, can look like. You can either use dry erase markers onto here. It is an acrylic backing, so the dry erase markers will erase. If you use a paint marker or Sharpies, they will be harder to remove. I can't guarantee that they will come off, that the ink will be erased. But if you would like to photocopy multiples of this template to update this every month, please by all means go for it. I think I'm honestly going to possibly do that myself actually, and leave a paint chip calendar at my desk and do a little project for myself every month. But I have just kind of, you would treat it like any other calendar. I have Valentine's Day listed, President's Day, the winter recess week, and two of my friends' birthdays. I did use their actual birthdays for this calendar, and it's mirrored here, but I had wrote in a kind of a faux calligraphy style Sunday, Monday, all the way through Saturday, and I played around with the February and kind of made them a little wavy lettering there. So I will show you the basis on how to get a blank template into something like this. Yours will probably most likely come out better than mine did. I quickly wrote in messy block lettering Sunday and Monday in abbreviation. I'm going to go over these in the liner pen, or you can even use anything you would like to color, just so this way you can see exactly how I'm labeling it. I know some calendars actually start with Monday and then go Saturday and Sunday in a row at the end of the week. You can label this again however you would like. I am just used to the week starting with Sunday, so totally up to you on however you would like to have this calendar layout. You do not by any means need to follow mine. And even before putting paint chips and labeling days of the week, you can use any coloring item and you could do a complete wash lightly. The first wash of color over the entire thing, you can draw hearts all over it, flowers, whatever you would like as a background to kind of start off with a color before adding the paint chips. Again, up to you, just throwing ideas out there that I've seen on Pinterest and YouTube. But to start with, so here is Sunday and Monday, and say you are at the stage of, okay, I want to stick a paint chip color on there. The paint chips are noticeably larger compared to a single date block in the calendar. So what I have found simple to do, and requiring the ruler and the pencil, you will line up the corner of the paint chip, so this way any extra continues on, and you will use the ruler to create a line, two pairs of lines actually, in the places that the date block on the calendar behind it will go. This way it creates a template on the actual paint chip. So this block up here is the size of a date block in the calendar. So you can either cut one and use this as templates for any other colors you would like to use, or you can do one by one. I feel having one solid template is less time consuming. That's honestly what I had done for mine, but again, personal preference. So I will cut out the date square, and what I had found, if you wanted, this way you aren't wasting an entire paint chip, this little rectangle down at the bottom that's formed, you can continue down the line and cut this guy out. You can also glue him to the top and write down the days of the week going along in different colors up here also. So double checking that it's the proper size of the date block. It's pretty darn close. So I will take the glue that I've been using and put it on the back. And put it on. You can either use a pattern, no pattern. These paint chips were actually picked up from the nearby Lowe's. You can go to Home Depot, a Sherwin-Williams paint store, whatever is nearby and convenient for you. And they are free, and they come with either 3 or 5 different variants of a color in one strip. We had pre-made cut these beforehand for you guys off of the strips. So the white line dividing every color is not there. So you just have these solid paint chips. You won't have the strip. So if there are colors that you're not happy with that you're given, you can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, or anywhere that sells paint in bulk like that and take some paint chips and put your own spin on it. So the fine liner, a Sharpie or a fine liner, anything that's more of a permanent marker, will have a better, easier time writing on these. These have a little bit of a glossy finish as you will feel and use them. They are not like a normal paper feel. So you will just have to press a little bit hard just to even write a number date on it. Just, you know, a little bit of pressure there. And you can even write a event on there, like I had said. So just for example, I wrote my birthday. My birthday's is not on the first of any month, but just to give an example there. But once you continue that on, you can make a pattern of any sort. I just happened to do colors in a diagonal. So you can do anything you would like, one color going here, or colors in ombre form from light to dark, dark to light. Again, totally up to you. Definitely look around and get inspiration off of Pinterest or Google, any other platform you can think of that has art inspiring ideas. Etsy stores, see what people are selling and get inspiration from them. This way you don't have to buy it, you can make it yourself. You'll have most of the supplies for it. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share on our Instagram or Facebook page any of your finished products of this calendar. We would love to see what you do. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to the library's YouTube channel for more future content. Have a good rest of your day.